Hey everyone, welcome to Fitscope. I'm Nika. We are on a max trainer today. Go ahead and jump on, get started. We only have 10 minutes, so we're jumping right in. This is a core-focused workout. You got core and a whole lot more coming your way. So get started, get moving, quick warm-up, turn your resistance to a 3 or 4. I like my hands down so I can just focus on the feeling of the movement first, pressing into the legs, letting the movement be nice and fluid through my body. When I'm in this position, this is a core-focused position because I'm slightly engaged to really get the focus of being able to press down into my legs and get some power and stability from the center of my body. Nice and steady with the movement. Now, if I come up a little bit, you'll see how I feel a little more expanded. As I go down, I can feel that core engagement a little bit more. Let's just move through that movement just a little. Lift up, come down. 2, and down. 3, 4, there we go. 5, 6, up and down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, 10, and down. Stay here. When you're down, you feel the core, you feel the legs. Turn your resistance up to a 5. 15 seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, recover. Breathe. Slow it down a bit. Now you feel that little bit of engagement. We're gonna build in a little bit of obliques. So have a little twisting motion. We'll start slow and we'll build into it. 20 more seconds here. Nice and steady. Your body should be warm. You should be ready to go. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, grab front. Get tall. First bit, turn your resistance to like a 4, maybe a 5. See how that feels. You're welcome to take it down if you need to. I like it to have a little more so I can feel where my obliques have to work. Then I'm gonna take my right hand to the handle further away from me while the left hand is on the handle closer to me. Now here's my focus. I'm gonna pull back with the right as I push forward with the left. So here's what it looks like. Pull, there you go. So left pushes as the right pulls, and I'm getting that right oblique. There you go. Push, pull. You're getting that twist. 15 seconds. Then we'll switch sides. Press, pull. Yep. 10 seconds. Now both arms work equally to help that twist happen. 3, 2, back to center, both hands. Then we switch. This time, left hand, we'll reach for the further left handle. 10 seconds to start. Nice and steady. Focus on keeping that pace the whole time. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. Left hand forward. Push with the right, pull with the left. There you go. Pull, pull. You've got it. Feel that left oblique right here. Pull back. 20 seconds. Lift. It's like you're getting taller as you twist. This is all in that upper body. Pull back. Stretch forward. and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1, back to center. Resistance comes back down. Recover, 45 seconds. Breathe. You have a similar idea, different part of the oblique coming up. Right now, focus on that recovery. Hands can come down center. There we go. You've got this. Let's do it. 30 seconds. Now, that heart rate comes down in the recovery, so you can focus on the movement. Now on this next round, I want you to focus on exhaling on the tougher part of the movement. 10 seconds. Let's get ourselves set up. Hands to the side. Reach down, turn the resistance up to a 5. Take your left hand on the handle closer to you. Now this time, I'm going to push down with the right and push the left away. So I'm pressing and twisting. There you go. This time it's a push instead of a pull. And that feeling in the oblique is a little different. Stay tall, reach, press, press. There you go. 15 more seconds. Move into it. Feel the twist to the right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, back to center. All right, you did the right side. Now we do the left. 10 seconds to go. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, left hand down. Press, twist, twist. There you go. Each side is gonna feel a little bit different each time. That's okay. That's normal. And why you do individual sides to balance everything out. 15. Keep going. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Resistance comes down. Focus on the breath. 15 seconds to slow your breath. Then we put everything together, and then we're finished. Get ready. All right. Starting down. Get low. Resistance comes up to a 4 or 5. Come up. Go low. Come up. Go low. 3. Low. 4. Down 1 more. 5. And down. Come up. Hands on the handles. Right hand furthest handle forward. Pull back, twist. Pull and push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Left hand furthest handle. Pull. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Breathe, almost there. Right hand, handle behind, by your side. Push, press away. There you go. Twist right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Left hand down to the side. Press. Final round. Come on. 5, 4, 3. Last finish. 1. Center. Start to recover. Breathe. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Slow your resistance. Slow your heart rate. If you need to stay on a little longer, go ahead. Slow yourself to a stop. Take a big breath in. Inhale, reach your right arm up, stretch back. Exhale, center. Inhale, left arm up, stretch back. Exhale, center. Round your back. Come all the way up. Nice work, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for that core and more workout. Thanks for watching Fitscope. I'll see you next time. I'm Nika.